Welcome, entrepreneurs. Today we are going to be talking about emails and how to create emails using AI. And I'm pretty excited about this one because I, for one, hate or dislike strongly creating emails from scratch. I've never liked it. I know they're a crucial part of your business, my business, and my customers' businesses. However, I've always struggled with what to write and how to write it and all this kind of stuff. So with the world of AI now, we're going to get into it. So without further ado, I'm going to get into how to create an email using AI. Okay, and here we are. I'm going to move my head up a little bit, and we are in Nurture to Profit again, and we are going to just hover over the marketing section down here. So we're going to click here, and under the email section, there is a template area. So I like using the template area. The reason being is if I ever want to use it again, or I want to create a duplicate of it, it's sitting right here and ready to go. You can create folders and keep it kind of organized. As you can see, I have a bunch of templates in here that I'm using, but we're going to go into blank template. And from blank template, that's hard to say, we're going to use the design editor. Now, coding from HTML and all that, we're not going to get into that. We're just going to go into a simple click and drag option. And when you open up a brand new from scratch template, you're going to have something that kind of looks like this. And so just like the funnel and the website builder, we've got some click and drag options here. So we can simply click and drag over heading and text. We can hit this little button over here again, and we can take and put a logo at the top or something like that. Oops, there we go. And we can come and we can add socials to maybe the bottom of the email. And we can come in and we can, I'm just looking, got a footer. There we go. All right, so we've got a basic structure of the email, and one thing that I really like doing at the very top is I like to obviously get rid of things like I don't really like that version at the top, the see this in the browser thing. I'm not really into that. Now inside of here there is a ability to edit and add images. You can again create this from AI. So again, we're going to be using AI to create emails. We might as well do this. So let's add a picture. Let's do something fun. So let's do a beach somewhere tropical with chairs in the background. I'm just making this up because I find it hard for me to come up with examples of just something, you know, redundant. Like obviously everyone watching this is going to have their own reason for creating emails. I'm just going to come up with something very simple so it's easy to follow. So we can do dreamlike, animated, photo, colorful, or watercolor. Let's go dreamlike, and let's just hit generate. We're only going to create one variation. So again, the more information you give it, the more it'll give. And again, you could add a lot more. You could have more variations and all this kind of stuff. But here's what it's done. I'm going to hit continue. Upload from media library. Let's just double check and see if it content AI. Oh, here it is. Okay. Basically, now that we've got this picture, we can use this. Again, I normally put the top as a logo. We can make it 100. We can make it 150 width. However we want it, we could just do it like this. I'm going to get this from scratch here. I normally actually remove the heading as well. And then basically now let's get into the text. So what we're going to do is we're going to head up to this little button up here called AI. And we're going to hit generate with AI. So the context of this is going to be obviously whatever you're going to be doing. It could be promotional, it could be introduction, coupon, recurring, testimonial, cold outreach, content, giveaway, other. So I think what we're going to do is we're going to do maybe, let's just take a look. Promotional. Okay, the content title is thank you for purchasing the, let's just call it the Nurture to Profit course. I don't have a course, so obviously there is none. And then what we're going to do is we're going to give it a bit of a prompt. Now I've got one over here on a first purchase. So again, you can search prompts. You can do whatever you want. There's a million and one out there, but craft a welcome email for customers who have just made their first purchase with Nurture to Profit. So I'm just going to edit this out. So Nurture to Profit, period. Keep a balance of appreciation and excitement and include relevant information about their recent order. Keywords, again, we could add keywords if we're going to be doing something along the lines of like SEO and all that, but right now I'm just going to leave it alone. We're going to keep it fairly casual. I like casual. There's obviously a couple different versions or options in here that you could do, so I'm pretty sarcastic most times. So, and then the length of content, small, medium, large. Again, this is a paid feature, so just like ChatGPT and all these other ones, usually every prompt costs a little bit. I believe it's a fraction of a penny, but it still can add up if you're going to be doing, huge campaigns. So for testing purposes, it's really nice to just get in and add that. But keywords, I guess we have to add a couple. So keywords, we're going to do course. Maybe we'll do purchase, and then maybe we'll do automation. Automation. Cool. All right, so we're gonna hit generate. I don't have any idea as to what I'm gonna get out of this. I didn't test it prior to this video, but we're gonna do it together. So it's gonna give us 3 variations, and let's just see what we get. The biggest thing I would say about AI and what we're doing here is not necessarily have something that's just gonna replace everything, but it's gonna give us inspiration so we can go and obviously create something ourselves from it, right? So variation 1, hey there. Big cheers on jumping on board with Nurture to Profit course. Your decision to purchase is much appreciated. It's like you've opened a door to the world where growth meets automation. We're stoked to have you with us. Now that you're part of the family, get ready to deep dive into the secrets of automating success. We can't wait to see how you'll implement these strategies and watch your endeavors flourish. Keep an eye on your inbox. We'll be sending over the deets about the course access soon. Again, thanks for choosing us, blah, 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 blah. Variation 2, you can pause if you want to and read this. Number 3, there we go. So again, we're going to just grab variation 1. Okay, and we're going to hit continue. And we're going to hit paste. Oh. Okay, so I had a bit of a glitch, and now I'm going to hit copy here. And what we're going to do is I'm just going to make sure that I have this first. So I'm going to right click, I'm going to copy. Not sure what happened before, but I hit continue without copying it, and it just had nothing in here. So I'm going to paste. Here's my email, and it looks like a big old success. So wow, you've just taken a huge leap toward automating your success, and we're thrilled about it. A massive thank you for choosing Nurture to Profit course. Your journey to mastering the art of automation begins now, and we can't wait to see the incredible journey you do achieve. Now, again, you can come in here and you can change up the formatting. You can add spaces or paragraphs and just play around with how it looks to you. Add or remove emojis or whatever you want to do. You can come in and, again, play with the elements, come in and add and remove and all this kind of stuff. But for the most part, if I hit Save Template, obviously I should come in and hit AI Test 1. And then I'll hit Save Template again. So again, what I just did in this video was I created a image with AI, something that, again, you could use down below. You could use however you want to get more inspiration, or even to get some sort of really cool inspiration for others, if that makes sense, right? So if your business is around inspiring others to use AI, or if your business is around, courses or teaching or something like that, embracing AI is pretty cool. And this is one way that, again, you could use it in your emails for inspiration for others, or you could use it in your emails so it sparks and spices it up and all that kind of stuff, right? We also created the entire copy of the email using AI with just a simple prompt that I got from the internet. I just Googled it. I can add that link down below in the description for you guys, and you can just practice if you want to. Again, all you have to do is come in and add buttons. You can add socials, dividers. You can make it look however you want to. You can add videos that obviously go into YouTube and all this kind of stuff, and add columns and all this kind of stuff. So I'm not going to get into too much about creating the actual email itself. I just wanted to show you how easy it is to actually get into AI, using AI, not only for images and but also for creating the content of your email. So as you can see, this is a fairly decent email. I could probably go through and edit a few things, but it's fairly full. And I hope you got value from today's video. We went over obviously how to create an email using AI. We even went over how to use AI to create an image in our email. And if this is something that interests you and you want to give it a shot, Nurture to Profit offers a free trial where you can get in, you can practice, you can play around. We do have weekly coaching where you can join every Tuesday at 12 Pacific and join us for anywhere from an hour to 2 hour call where we go over Nurture to Profit problems you might be having in your business, and we go over how to solve them and how to use Nurture to Profit and go from there. So if that's something that interests you, go ahead and check out the link below with Nurture to Profit. You can also book a time on my calendar to talk about your business and how Nurture to Profit can help you. And I hope you got some value. Thanks so much. Cheers.